Hello guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. We are heading to Pennsylvania. We're heading to Pennsylvania, Transmont, Pennsylvania. We got 271 miles to go, guys. That's not bad.
On the nights when the dark lasts a little bit longer, when the wind and the storm is a little bit stronger, when the fear in my heart digs a little bit deeper, and when my faith to stand gets a little bit weaker, where could I run to? Where could I go? Even when it feels like my world is shaking, even when I've had all that I can take, I know you never let me go. Whoa. And even when the waters won't stop rising, even when I'm caught in the dead of the night, I know no matter how it ends, you're with me.
We should be there around about 1:30 or so. Anyways, it's about 7:30 in the morning. Gotta wait till these truckers out here move. So we got all our stuff, our coffee, our everything, man. These truckers don't want to let you move out here, I'm telling you. Kind of close corners, guys, but people park in the way and you can't get through. So this is a bad truck stop. If you guys ever cross this way, don't come to this truck stop. I mean, people's parked everywhere, man. So, you know, yeah, they park everywhere here. So anyways, hope you guys are doing good. It's on we're on a Wednesday. Trying to find my way out of this TA. This is a real difficult TA, man. I'm telling you, it is. I mean, there's trucks parked everywhere. You don't even know this side is this side. You don't know. You just follow these trucks on out. Hopefully they're going the right way. Yes, exit right there. So I mean, this truck stop right here, people just, I don't know, they park everywhere, you know. So they got restaurants here and just all kind of stuff. But anyways, it's a Wednesday. It's about 7:30 in the morning. We're rolling out of here. I usually try to roll out by 7. We are getting on the highway. I think we're getting on 70. We're going 70 east. So guys, I'll catch you in a little bit. Guys, we are in Philadelphia. Well, actually, we're coming out of actually, guys, we're coming out of we're in this traffic right now. It's pretty bad. But we're in we're going. I think it's Philadelphia, but it's coming out of New Jersey. 95 New Jersey Turnpike. Traffic's real awful here, guys, especially in the morning. You just have to deal with it, you know what I'm saying? But I thought I'd get with you guys today. Today is Thursday. So, see these guys, man, you gotta watch them out here, man. You gotta watch them. They always want to get in front of you, okay? Like I say, you know, I mean, it is what it is, man. Got a taxi right there. Listen, I wanna share something with you guys just for a minute. Why I got you on here? Listen, defensive driving. This is what's called defensive driving. You're always looking in your mirrors, of course. Always looking in your mirrors, you know. See what a car's gonna do. Stay far from them. You know, when they're bunching up like that, man, stay back. You know what I'm saying? Defensive driving. See these cars right here, man? You know, I mean, this guy ain't even got no lights on, which I don't think it's required. Now, I always put my lights on. I mean, I drive with my lights on and all my lights and all my runner lights, just to let people know that I'm around, you know what I'm saying? Whether it's day, whether it's night, it don't matter to me. But anyways, you always want to let people know, you know, what you're doing. A lot of these people out here, you'll see, truck driving man, see, he put his blinker on, you know what I'm saying? She put her blinker on. That's great, you know what I'm saying? But all of them don't do that. Yeah, I promise you they don't. I promise you. They don't do that. So, you know, it is what it is, man. People go to school. People go get their Class C license to drive a motor vehicle. They don't listen to the rules, man. Nobody does. I mean, they taught us certain things in CDL school, and not just CDL school. These companies you get on to, they teach you, you know, you go through a long list. Hey, don't do this. And, some of them have got monthly quarters that they go through. So, you know, I mean, it is what it is, man. Nobody listens, you know what I'm saying? So, that being said, guys, we are going through a city. Just take your time. We want to get over in this lane because we're going 95 south. You want to carefully look, put your blinker on, get over. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple, man. Just bam, bam, bam. But, you know, up here in New Jersey, you got to pay attention, man. Up here in New Jersey, it's just, people are crazy up here, man. So kind of pay attention, you know, issue your surroundings. Always looking in your mirrors. Always looking at your surroundings. See, this guy's got a blinker on right here. You know what I'm saying? So, always look and see what cars are doing next. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes they won't tell you what they're doing next. You just have to guess. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, hey, we got a train set right there on the left. So, you know, always pay attention to your surroundings. Signs too, guys. This GPS is great, but don't totally trust in this GPS. You know what I'm saying? Even though it says 14 miles, we got to turn on 195 South, Chester, Washington. You know, I mean, it gets you where you need to go, but, you know, you still got to pay attention to what's around you and the signs, you know what I'm saying, what's coming up. Yeah. I just wanted to let you guys in the in the driver's seat for a little bit to let you know what it's like driving in a big rig. You know, what are some of the precautions? Look at this guy on the left over here. Check him out. He's got the blinker on. Check his car. See what I'm saying? See, that crazy, man. You got to watch them. You got to watch these little 4Runners out here. They will run you over, man. So, that being said, guys, and listen, I am on the camera, but I can promise you my hands are on these wheels. This camera's on my head. Just letting you guys know. Don't never go down the street with a camera, you know what I'm saying, holding in your hand. Luckily, they got cameras now that you can put on your head like mine, you know what I'm saying? I actually got this camera on my head, but I'm paying attention to my road and to my surroundings, and I got all hands on wheels, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm talking to you guys, and the camera's on, but it's on my head, you know what I'm saying? It's strapped on my head. You know, it is what it is, man. Be safe, you know what I'm saying? Don't go down the road and try what I'm trying, holding the camera. You need to get you a GoPro or something. That's what I got right here. And it's a strap that goes on your head, so therefore you don't have no distractions, you know what I'm saying? You're not trying to hold the camera going down the road videoing, you know what I'm saying? You just don't do them things, you know what I'm saying? So, that being said, yeah, guys, just pay attention to you around us, see? This truck coming up around me right here. So, all right, guys, we've got through the city. We're gonna go on down the road. We'll catch y'all in a little while. Just give you some pointers going down the road. You know what I'm saying? All right, man. We'll catch y'all in a little. Hey, guys. Back at you a little bit. We are going past home stadium of Philadelphia Eagles. All right, yeah. All right, right over to you. Right over here is home of Philadelphia Eagles Stadium. Wow, that's pretty, man. Whoa. Wow, that's pretty, man. I just thought you guys would see that, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, we're going to Philadelphia. There's Philadelphia there on the right over there. Ain't that pretty? Yeah, Philadelphia. That's a basketball center. And then the football center is right over there, Philadelphia Eagles. Man, it's so great being on the road, guys. You just get to see all kind of stuff. Pay attention. You can look at stuff, guys. It don't hurt, but don't stare off the road. You know what I'm saying? Just glance at it. Put your eyes back on the road. You know what I'm saying? Don't sit and stare at it, because then you're going to keep your attention off the road. You know what I'm saying? So, just giving you some safety tips, man. It's okay to look at things, I mean, but don't sit there and stare at it for too long. I mean, just glance, do your head back, bam, 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 you know, pop, pop, bam, bam, that's it. You know what I'm saying? It's okay to look at things, you know what I'm saying? I look at things all the time. Now we're going across a bridge, man. So, you know, going across a bridge. I don't know what kind of bridge this is. I don't know. I mean, maybe the ocean or something, you know, I don't know. There's ports down there, see what I'm saying? See how I'm doing my head, guys? I glance, just bam, bam, back to the road, you know what I'm saying? It's okay. You can look, but don't stare. You know what I'm saying? What I mean by staring is, guys, don't lock your eyes on your surroundings too much, because you'll forget what's in front of you. You know what I'm saying? You'll get sidetracked. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get on down the road, guys. We done passed the fun stuff. So, all right, guys, we'll check in a little. Hello, guys. Hello. We we are getting back on the interstate. We have stopped off. Listen, to get back on the interstate, guys, make sure that you flow with the traffic. Don't just pull out in front of them, okay? Put your flashers on. Keep your flashers on to about 45. Yeah, don't just pull out in the freeway. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you got room, guys. Safety first. Safety first, man. It is Friday. I'm actually going home. Okay, we can turn our flashers off now, guys. Alrighty, I'm going home. I'm going down here to McDowell, Georgia, and then I'm going to the house, guys. They may have a load for me to pick up. I'm not sure. Man, it is beautiful out here today, guys. I'm telling you. I mean, man, it is beautiful. I mean, you know what, guys? I mean, really, basically, I don't really like. I don't like driving in bad weather. I don't like driving in rain. I don't like driving in. There's a car coming up. Yeah, just keep an eye around you guys. But anyways, I want to tell y'all, I don't like driving in. I don't like driving in the rain and stuff and the snow. I really don't care for it. You know what I'm saying? That's why I like it when I work for companies. I like when I go down to Florida. I love running the panhandle of Florida. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I just love Florida because it's warm. Your body feels good all the time. 60 miles per hour. Minimum 45, guys. Hey, pay attention to your signs. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, yeah. I mean, I like Florida. I like Florida. Yeah, you know, it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? But this is Friday, guys. Like I say, I have pulled over, took me a bathroom break, and you know, other than that, guys, hey, you know, I mean, I'm headed down I-85 south. I'm going to McDowell, Georgia, which is close to Atlanta, Georgia. And I was in New Jersey. I should have filmed some things in New Jersey, but I didn't. You know, I mean, it is what it is, man. Yeah, I was in New Jersey the other day. That's where I'm coming back from. I'm delivering a load from New Jersey down to McDowell, Georgia. So there's 63 Pilot, guys. TA. I don't like the TA. I don't know if you guys, if you're new drivers coming out here, guys, let me tell you something. You know, I do want to do a theory on the TA and the Pilot and the Loves. You know, I was talking to this lady the other day in Virginia. I had stopped by Love's to take a shower. So I had talked to her about, you know, is Love's private owned? Well, I was wondering because the Pilot and the Flying J is together, and the TA and Petro is together too. You know, they teamed up together as a business. So I was kind of wondering, you know, where's Love's? Where's that put Love's, you know, out there by itself? So yes, they are privately owned. They're not partnering with nobody. They don't have partners. But I'm going to tell you something, guys. I mean, everybody has their picking and choosing, you know, especially truckers out here. They like this and like that. And, you know, my personal opinion, and this is what I like Love's because Love's has a greater reward program. Remember those cards I showed you taking showers one day? You know, you got to have a rewards card. Well, every time you fill up, you get points. So, you know, I like their point system a whole lot more better myself. I mean, that's just me. You know what I'm saying? So, I like their point system a whole lot more better because their point system is awesome. You know, you fill up, you get like a point and a half, maybe 2 points. You get $2 per fill up. You know what I'm saying? $2 or $3. You don't get that much with Pilot, Flying J, and Petro and TA. Matter of fact, I filled up at the Petro, and they give you so many days to use your shower, and your shower rolls off of your card. So, you know, you can shower at the Loves, and it can stay on there for months. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I mean, I like Loves because they treat you better. They got better rewards program. They give you more points to go in there and buy free stuff. You know what I'm saying? And then on top of that, your showers stay on your card longer than Petro. Now, Flying J and Pilot, they do keep your showers in there longer. But I'm going to tell you something about TA and Petro, guys. They got some nice facilities in some places, especially if you go down the Panhandle of Florida, down there on it. I think it's exit 116. They got a Petro down there. It's pretty nice, you know what I'm saying? They have, if you go some places, they have some nice facilities, but you know, they want to charge, especially up here in New Jersey, man, Baltimore, in Baltimore, Maryland too, and in New Jersey, they have a exit up there, a Petro and a TA. They want to charge you for parking, man. You have to, especially the one in Baltimore, Maryland, you have to go into a facility, and it's like they charge for it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, why do you want to keep charging? I can understand, you know, parking at the front door, they charge $15. I understand that. And I can understand that some drivers want to pay for reserved parking. I understand that. But what I don't understand is making everybody pay. You know what I'm saying? It's like, they're like, okay, if you don't spend $15 in the store, then you got to give us $15 for parking. Why do you want to make a truck driver that makes this world, this U.S. right here that we are in today, we make America run, guys. If it wasn't for us, if we went on strike, this whole country would go down in a matter of minutes. So why do you want to charge a truck driver for parking? Come on, man. I mean, you know, they get enough money out of us with gas and food and stuff like that. And then you want to turn around and charge them for parking, man. So, you know, it's crazy, man. There's the, right there is what BMW plant, guys. BMW, yeah. That's the BMW plant, man. Yes. Usually when people are on the side of the road like that, guys, I usually pull over, but I can't. I move over lanes but I couldn't. I had lanes over here blocked, so usually you want to look ahead and you want to pull over when you see them on the side of the road like that, because you never know what they're going to do next. You know what I'm saying? So you want far, far over. Trust me, guys. Trust me. That's how I had my first wreck. The guy actually pulled over to the shoulder. He was actually almost stopped, and he pulled his emergency brakes, and it went over here in the media, right in the media. I mean, I couldn't get over. You know what I'm saying? I was stuck in a hole, man. So, you know, it is what it is, man. But yeah. But yeah, it's beautiful out here today, man. I'm telling you, it's beautiful beautiful sunshine. Feels good to your body. I like the warm weather. I mean, this cold weather's just really just made me, ugh. It's crazy, man, you know. Anyways, guys, I will catch you later. I'm going to get on down the road here, and I just thought I'd share some information with you guys. Anyways, I'm going to get on down the road, and I'm going to head to Atlanta, and then I'm pretty sure they're going to send me another load, probably a home load, to go on to the house. So that's where I'm going, to the house this weekend, and take me a shower and just sit back, and then I might go outside to go fishing this weekend. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's some pretty weather. We got stop traffic up here, guys. I hate this. It's just something they do, I guess. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna get off here and be stuck in this traffic for a little while. We'll catch you guys later. Hello, guys. Hello. Just wanted to show you guys something out here. We are driving in fog. This is a safety video. I'm gonna show you guys why I'm driving. Notice I'm constantly looking at my mirrors. I'm also going about 60, guys. Speed limit 65, but I'm going 5 miles per hour under the speed limit because it's foggy. I use precaution. We just passed some drivers back there. Didn't show the video, but we passed some drivers back there that went off the road. And they jackknifed in the grass. I don't know if they're okay, I don't know, but I can tell you that accident probably happened by following too close. I guarantee you. People out here, guys, they don't abide by the rules. They don't. They've been trained different, but they know in weather like this they got to use extra precaution, but they don't. See, like these brakes up here, I stay at a football distance between the driver up there, because guys, you got to realize you got weight behind you, and it's harder for you to stop than a regular four-wheeler. See, he's using his brakes up there. Every time he does, I get closer back from him because I don't know what he's doing. Okay, so stuff sneaks up on you in the fog. I'm telling you, you don't want to be going at a high speed rate. You need to use precaution. Come down 5-10 miles per hour. So what? Let them go around you. You know what I'm saying? Let them get mad. Let them flip you a bird. I don't care what they do. You're not going to be the one on the side of the road with a jackknife trailer either, you know. So, see, they're going around me. That's fine. I mean, if they want to go 65, that's up to them, you know. But me, I'm notching it down 5 miles per hour below the speed limit because of the weather. All it is safety, guys, and keeping your following distance. That's the big thing. Look at this truck, the blue truck in front of me. What do you see wrong with him already? He's way too close to him. Way too close. If something would have occurred in front of him, what's going to happen is he's going to try to dodge him. They're both going to fall in the ditch trying to dodge from hitting each other, but they're going to mess up their truck either way. I've seen it a million times. People don't use precaution no more. They don't use safety. All these companies will love this video I'm doing because safety starts with you. And I've been driving a truck for 5 years, guys. I still don't get comfortable out here because, like I say, you know, you can't drive this thing like a car. You got weight behind you. You got snow. You got ice. You got fog. You don't need to be going those 70 miles per hour in fog, man. You need to, your following distance is a big plus in fog because you don't know what's coming up next. And when it's real foggy, you can't see that far ahead. So you always want to stay your distance. I just passed, like I said, I just passed 2 truckers back there. I just passed 2 truckers back there a while ago. I can tell you right now, they was following too close, guarantee you. They tried to dodge from hitting cars or hitting each other, and they went off the side of the road and jackknifed. I mean, they hit the grass, you know what I'm saying? So, guarantee you they was following too close in the fog. I can promise you. It's like this fella behind me, he's following way too close to me, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to shoot this video to let y'all know, quit following close, man. I'm telling you, if it's fog, keep your distance. Keep your distance. Remember, it takes a football field to stop one of these trucks. I said it takes a football field to stop one of these trucks. And you know how long a football field is? It's pretty long. Especially when it's fully loaded. Okay? I'll tell you another thing. When you're light and the wind's blowing and you got a light load on you, I got 20,000 pounds on this load I got now. And you're light and the wind's blowing outside and all that, and you feel the trailer going side to side, slow down. Because it will knock you off the road. Slow down is the key to everything. Speed will kill you either way. If you smoke it, if you snort it, or if you drive it behind the wheel, speed will kill you. So just wanted to share that. Guys, listen, I understand you're a big bad truck driver now. You got your license, you got the cowboy boots, you got the cowboy hat, and you're a trucker now. You're an asphalt cowboy. I understand that, but I don't want you to be an asphalt cowboy wrapped around a tree. So be careful out here, man. I've seen some crazy stuff in my 5 years. Crazy junk. It all could have been prevented by slowing down or following distance. Could have been prevented. But y'all stay safe.
On the nights when the dark lasts a little bit longer, when the wind and the storm is a little bit stronger, when the fear in my heart digs a little bit deeper, and when my faith to stand gets a little bit weaker, where could I run to? Where could I go? Even when it feels like my world is shaking, even when I've had all that I can take, I know you never let me go. Whoa. And even when the waters won't stop rising, even when I'm caught in the dead of the night, I know
gonna pay for our gas. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm not gonna tell you the things on my card, but you want to get you one of these. This is a TA, see, TA Ultra 1 card. It says swipe it. Want to swipe it. Now, what we're gonna do now, guys, is we're going to wait. And then it says tractor, yes. And they don't have no DEF, so it says right now no DEF on any pumps at this time, so they want to skip. Vehicle number 2306. See right here, already. Now, cash advance, no, skip. I don't do cash advances. That's if you want money taken off your check and they'll reimburse you, you know, in additional products. I don't think we need none, so I don't push no. Sometimes they want us to buy stuff that additives for our truck, so the fuel won't gel up on us. But I don't think we're needing that. I don't think it's gonna get that cold, guys. So anyways, authorizing fuel. All right, we want to go right here, and we want to wait to please remove nozzle. Push this up. We're at the TA, guys, in Illinois. All right, it says fueling. Wait till it fuels. Wait till it turns on. Okay. All right, it's going, guys. Let's go do the other one over here. Go do the other one. Take the tank off. See the hole? Now let's lift the handle like that, just like that. Alrighty, guys, it's snowing up here, you know what I'm saying? So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna lift the handle up. That's it, guys. We're gonna clean our windows, so I'm gonna show you how to clean these windows right quick. A lot of this stuff's got defroster on it, so you want to get your windows clean. A lot of this stuff's got defroster, so you're gonna get your windows clean. So clean your windows. Now let's use this other one, guys. That way this guy over here can use that one. So yeah, we're gonna clean the windows, guys, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay. There's my pipes. Let's see where we are, Mom. It says no pets allowed in the building. We're right here, guys. See it right there? Here's Cincinnati. We're going up through here. We're going through Columbus. Somewhere up through here. And then we're going to go straight back down to Georgia. All right, then. Now, we're going to feed our face with junk food. What do you say about that, Mom?
Say it's a little bit windy up here.
Yeah, she said it's windy out here. We hadn't had baths in 12 days, guys. We don't know what a shower is. Now, let's see what we got, guys. Here at the truck selection. The truck selection. There's what I want. No, that's the brown one. I want
You want mine 52.
the
They got it over there too, 153.
yeah 153. Mounds, they don't hurt me. Wow, $1.50, guys. What a ripoff. What a ripoff. They get you with these rest stops. That's how they become millionaires and we become broke. So, you take this video and go on strike with it and tell Donald Trump to lower our prices at rest stops. And there's a FedEx Critical. That's what me and my wife's fixing to do right there, guys. FedEx Critical. And I'm gonna ask him how much he makes. He's parking up there. Well, I thought he was pulling over. Guess not. What me and my wife's fixing to do. FedEx Critical. No, he's not pulling over. He's going on down the woods. So, we've used the restroom and we're just about back on the road, Jack. My wife has not took a bath in 12 days. Guys, we don't take baths out here. We take what they call bird baths.
Speak for yourself.
Yeah, she said speak for yourself. We'll check you on down the road, guys. Bye.
Where could